We are going to do another construction today. We're going to construct congruent angles. So to begin with, let's make an angle so that we can make a copy of it. Everyone's will be this different sizes. I happen to be going to make like an acute one, less than 90 degrees. So there are my two rays. And I believe I will name this angle A. Now, I want to make one that is identical in size to that. So I'm going to come down here, and it doesn't even have to be tilted that way, but I'm going to make me a ray a little bit longer than the one up here, and I'm going to put me a point D here. And the first thing I'm going to need to do is go up to point A, put the point on A, and open up the compass pencil and then sweep across both rays. Let's call this point here B and this point here C. Now I'm going to go to D without changing the compass setting. I haven't even put my finger back on that pencil. I don't want to move it. I'm going to sweep again, but make sure you sweep far enough. If you don't sweep far enough, you'll end up having to do it twice. And I didn't make that one very dark, so let me try that again. Sometimes it helps to twist your paper. Okay. Now, what we'll do is we will measure between B and C to see how far they are apart. We don't know the number, but they are this far apart. Move to this point of intersection right here and sweep so that it crosses this first arc that we made. Let's call this bottom point E and then this top point F. Now we can take the D and the F and line it up with a straight edge. And we have angle EDF that should be the same size as BAC. So let's write that. Angle, I think I'll call that one CAB, is congruent to angle FDE. Remember that the vertex has to be in the center. Now, I used to tell my students to see if they truly were the same size is to cut out this second one and lay it on top of this first one. And if they fit exactly, I'd even sometimes have them staple them, then that they know that they did it perfectly.